Yo, it's Al, and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today we have another 3 fits, 1 kick video, and the kick of choice this time, the Nike SB Dunk Low Diamond Supply, aka the Tiffany. This for me is one of my favourite pairs ever. These originally released in 2005 and have been grail status ever since. Every dunk Nick Diamond has touched. It has to be a classic. So, without further ado, let's put 3 outfits together for this. So for outfit 1, I've kept it quite simple and chill, and with summer just around the corner, I thought, what can I keep in mind ready to bust out? So I've started with the corduroy overshirt just as a light layer for when the temperature drops and just to keep it chill, paired with the Diamond Supply Cassie tee. Now I've had this tee for years and it will forever stay in my wardrobe until it's washed out and gone because it's just a classic and iconic tee in itself alone. Then we're going to make our way down. We have the Dime corduroy shorts, which just keeps in that corduroy vibe, paired with the Nike socks with the white hits just to tie in all the colours throughout the tee, but keep it that summer fit so I can lose the shirt, just wear the tee, and we can go from there. But this is my outfit number 1. So for outfit number 2, I've gone a little bit more smarter, maybe even fancy with it. So this is for when I'm going out for food with friends, or if I'm going on a night out, or those moments you just want to flex and step it up a little bit. So I've got the ASOS oversized shirt, just buttoned up, good to go. Teal hits to tie into the kick, as well as the croc leather pants. These will match the croc leather throughout the actual kick, and this is probably the most coordinating of the items that you can see throughout these outfits. And yeah, this is me. So for outfit 3, I've gone nice and simple with an all blacked outfit. This will be my go-to for every day bouncing around if I'm going shopping for fits and kicks, out for a full day just exploring. We know this is where it's going to be. So all black, easy, plain black Diamond Supply bomber jacket to start off with the diamond blue hits to tie in with the actual kick. Plain black hoodie, plain black cargos, easy and simple, but for me, the coziest out of the 3, and I love this fit. So those are my 3 fits to go with the Nike SB Diamond Dunk Low, each for different scenarios and slightly different looks. Let me know which one was your favourite. This has been another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time. Peace!